Do you want to create a full month of viral YouTube shorts in less time than it actually takes to eat your lunch today? Stick with me for the next few minutes because I am going to show you how to turn one single, strong, long-form video into a massive stack of ready-to-post shorts incredibly fast. We are going to use a tool called Vizard to handle the heavy lifting, all without losing your unique brand voice or drowning in endless editing work. The absolute smartest way to start is by not starting from scratch, so open up your channel analytics and look at what is already working. Find your top-performing long video, specifically the one that has the perfect combination of high views, strong watch time, and a great click-through rate. That specific video is your goldmine, and for me, it was a simple how-to guide about adding music to videos that already resonated with my audience. Here's the exact workflow I use with Vizard, which is honestly a game changer for anyone who creates social content, podcasts, or training videos. First, simply drop your long video into the tool by pasting a YouTube URL or uploading the file directly from your computer. While it processes, take a moment to select your specific language so the subtitles match the exact spelling and phrasing you want to present to your audience. Make sure you choose a vertical or portrait aspect ratio for your shorts, as this ensures your video looks perfect on mobile devices. Vizard's AI will then automatically analyze your entire footage to find the strongest, bite-sized moments that are most likely to get traction. Within just a few minutes, you will have a ready-to-use list of clipped candidates, each complete with subtitles and a transcript. Each clip also comes with a performance scorecard, which is absolutely clutch because it gives you a quick sense of which segments the AI thinks will perform best. If you are happy with the clips exactly as they are, you can simply export and publish them immediately to your social channels. But if you want to make them really sing, jump into the editor to tweak your subtitle fonts, colors, outlines, or shadows to match your specific style. You can also adjust the clip crop if you want a different focus, or tighten the trim to hit a much stronger hook at the very beginning. You have the flexibility to replace or add background music from the built-in library, but you must be careful with tracks to avoid copyright issues. Platforms often differ in how they treat audio, so it is safer to use the copyright-friendly options that are already flagged as safe. While editing, give each short a punchy title that effectively stops people mid-scroll, even if you just use the AI-suggested caption as your starting point. Don't overcomplicate the visuals because clean animated subtitles, a quick zoom, and a clear hook in the first 2 seconds are enough to grab attention. Now here's where this tool really separates itself from the competition, specifically with its ability to auto-detect viral pieces of a long video. The AI is finely tuned to cut those moments into shorts that are already perfectly formatted and captioned for vertical viewing. Vizard goes even further with an auto-schedule feature and a content calendar that helps you organize your entire month in one place. You can set your posting frequency once, and the system automatically handles the uploads, which means no more manual posting at weird hours. This turns a mountain of content tasks into a neat, repeatable workflow that keeps your channel active without the stress. Other apps might do smart clipping but leave the scheduling as a manual chore, or they are great editors that lack the ability to find viral moments. Some free mobile apps are amazing for one-off edits, but they simply do not provide the analytics-driven suggestions you need to scale your content properly. Vizard hits that perfect balance of high-level automation combined with the control you actually need to maintain a professional look. This copyright-aware approach is critical if you want to monetize your shorts because you don't want past uploads to suddenly block your hard-earned revenue. By focusing on tracks that are cleared for social use, you are far less likely to get a strike on your channel. Now back to the workflow. Just repeat this entire process across your top-performing videos to build a massive library of content. If you have a catalog of webinars or tutorial videos, this tool can quickly produce dozens of shorts that are already tailored for vertical consumption. You will suddenly have a steady stream of content without having to spend hours every single week on manual editing. Let's talk about some editing hacks that really help with retention and your overall click-through rate. Always start with a quick, punchy hook in the first 2 seconds, such as a surprising line or a bold statement. Use bold, high-contrast subtitles with a slight shadow so they are easily readable, even when viewers are on their mobile phones. Keep your clips between 15 and 30 seconds for most tip content, because that is the sweet spot for delivering a concrete takeaway. If your original long-form audio is a bit noisy or flat, add a light ambient music bed to make the video feel more polished. Don't overthink your titles because the AI suggestions are a great starting point to help you stay consistent across your entire channel. Consistency is truly underrated, as people are much more likely to click and binge your other shorts when they recognize your specific style. Be realistic about the limits of other tools, as those that only focus on basic trimming can leave you with awkward cuts or bad framing. Some platforms overdo the auto captions and animations, which makes the video feel spammy rather than authentic and engaging. By using an integrated system, you avoid the need to juggle multiple apps, which keeps your production quality high. My final pro tip is to use the provided scorecards, but do not assume the highest scored clip is always the absolute winner for your audience. Run quick A/B tests by posting 2 different clips a week apart to see which one actually outperforms the other. Over time, you will refine your intuition for what kinds of content actually go viral within your specific niche. If you are running social media for a brand, this is the kind of system that saves hours every week while keeping your team fresh. Go ahead and give this a spin on just one of your top performing videos to see exactly how many solid shorts you can produce in a single afternoon. You might be genuinely surprised at how much you can output when the tedious, repetitive parts of editing are fully automated. I will catch you in the next one, so go out there and make some shorts that actually stick with your audience.